na namatay, my mom is also diagnosed with dialysis. So my mom is diagnosed with chronic failure na chronic CKD. Sa natin sa mga needs si mama. Okay? And yeah, dialysis is 3 times a week. And then first session is almost 2K, 3,000. So now, Lord, why are you doing this to me? Nga, hindi mo lang good. Pasalamat ako sa mga husband, siya din ang draw closer sa ko kay God. Siya ang nagpaila. Kisa ang kinuha ko kinabuhi. So, dinala ko niya sa SFC, iyan pa lang dinala ko niya sa SFC, i-explain niya sa kuha ang mga kalimutan sa simbahan, kung asa siya nag-service, kay gabi na siya. Kay CFD, SFC, kaabag pag yun. Sinana ba na ako, kita girls, no? I don't know, pag-i-nature, ganada, ita na ang present ng mga iyag. Diba? Kanahan na ito. Sinana ba, sumautuwawin ba? Nga naman di Lord. And then, we got engaged this year, last February. So, mama, ang going after ang dialysis, abi na kung okay na tanan, mag-last pa si mama. But August 27 of this year, si mama, enjoy na po sa mama ko ni Lord. Just less than 2 months before our wedding. So, gusto ay ipa-feel sa ko ang Ginoo. Why are you doing this? Gawin na lang ko. Gawa na lang pagkulang, gasto na ko. And then, katong ni ate, wala si Papa. And perfect na kasal na ko, wala yun silang duha. Grabe kay Lord. Then ano ba, ako sigili, kanang bargaining ba? Sa ba? Nangalang ka Lord, why are you doing this to me? Dausan ba ko na tao? Why did you not the two most? Together you will understand. And you will have a more deeper connection with the Lord through your faith. Okay? So rather asking, Lord, na naman so may ibang plano, ikaw may bahala. Because these are the things that I am no in control of. Pero pasalamat gihapon ko, at least, kung nawalaan ko o ka ng kusog, at least, you send someone na to find me another purpose, reason to live, because I might finish my kanang-ira ba as a daughter, karon kay at least naanak ko new reason in life, which is to be a wife. Kay ako muna ako maigsuon after nalubong si mama. Nana sila mga pamilya. They have their own lives, ay mga anak niya. Kung wala akong husband karon, asa man ko ani? Asa ko? Diba? Though it's really good that in life, but later if there is really someone na imuha dong so anagin siya. So life is full of lemons. So it's either imuhang malitod imong lemons or iyo kanang po ang sabak. Na may ilan na for the life is full of lemons. No? So ilala lang siya. So the bottom line here is kung unsa man ang aspect ng life na akaron, do not lose faith in God. I know at times you will ask question. You will question Him, kaurata. Okay? You will question Him, why are you doing this to me? But rather questioning, try to understand and never lose faith because He is in control. And that is something na my husband always remind me. Mula sa interfaith preparation, maghilang-hilang mo